Right now, there are over 1 million people in this state without health insurance. That's 1 million people who aren't able to take care of themselves or their families should an injury or an illness occur. That's 1 million people even more at risk of death from COVID-19. 1 million people not treating their pre-existing conditions. 1 million people who could have caught that cancer earlier and saved their lives. Are you one of those million living without healthcare insurance? Why? I'm here to tell you right now that there isn't a single reason good enough for you not to call us. Right now, you can get a plan from one of the top carriers in the state that covers everything and costs you nothing. In fact, now carriers are offering a $500 reward for being a member per adult, so a husband and wife can earn thousands in rewards. Think you can't afford it? Yes, you can. It's so simple and easy to enroll. Call the number on your screen or log on to freeobamacare.com. Call now.